Hey, it's Waffle Milk here, and I'm back with a new and different kind of video. This one YouTuber has been bugging me for so long. I'll give you a hint. She's one of the many Sans fangirls. Kitten is one of those Sans' wife and girlfriend kind of channels and has a channel mostly consisting of animation memes. She seems really young in my opinion, and most of the things she's saying and doing on her channel are just stuff she shouldn't be doing or saying at her age. Her main OC is a green cat? Fox? I don't know, I'm just gonna call it a cat. Her main OC is a green cat named Cyber with yellowish lime colored hair. Her OC, well, in my opinion, is actually pretty innocent compared to other Sans fangirls. Its color palette isn't too bad. What I'm going to be reviewing here are her animation memes and her so-called cringe compilations. I will be censoring out all the swearing shown in her videos because my channel is family friendly. Without further ado, let's get into it. How about we start off with her cringe comps? I'm gonna start off with the her meme cringe compilation. So, the first animation memer, that's what I like to call them, that she put in here is Sleepy Kink. In my opinion, Sleepy Kink's animations are really smooth, even though they're just tweening. Well, that's basically why you want them smooth, you just tween them. If you want it smooth, you gotta tween it. Like, if you want your animations to be smooth, you gotta tween it the right way. It's just She says here Sleepy Kink's timing is terrible and that the movements are just cringy. In my opinion, the timing is just right and the body parts could have some more movement put into them, but for this they're like perfect, they're just right. One thing I could ask for Sleepy Kink to improve is the lip syncing. In my opinion, it just doesn't look right. Now that we got Sleepy Kink out of the way, let's see what other animation memer she has to put in here. Oh my god, Darling! You put Darling in here? Excuse me, Darling is a Now here, she doesn't have anything to say about the animation meme itself, but talking about how trash Darling is. In my opinion, I really enjoy that Darling puts her own, style into the animation memes. They're very creative, and I just honestly love it. That's why I'm such a huge Darling fan. Well, honestly, you can't just say stuff about that if she's just trying to be she's just trying to do it her own way. If she wants to do it her own way, let her do it. Now that we got this one out of the way, let's go see the next one. Flashbacks to the Edgeworld fandom. Whoa, Cyber, you need to calm down. Don't judge somebody just because they like Edgeworld. I may have exited the fandom, but the show is honestly still, it's still a classic. I still love it. The animation is perfect, okay? There's nothing wrong with it. I honestly really enjoy the animation in this and the style. Wow, Cyber. Just, wow. Oh my god. Die in a bloody train wreck? Okay, you need to be sent to a therapist. Now that we have the her meme out of the way, let's go to the next animation meme cringe compilation, the copycat meme. Let's go. First off, I would like to note the Megalovania playing in the beginning. Just playing Megalovania in the beginning of your cringe compilation doesn't mean you're edgy or cool. It means you're cringy! Okay, I just gotta say this. Sometimes when I'm watching these animation memes, I just can't help to sing along with it. I'll become what you like. This is what you wanted, right? Sacrifice all I know. I will teach myself to let go. Whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness. She did not use a circle tool. This is hand-drawn animation, okay? Frame by frame. She put all her effort into this. Her original character it's adorable, okay? I love it. If I'm brave enough, I might even ask her if I can make a character of the species. Her animation is just the smoothest I've seen when it comes when it comes to actually hand-drawn animation. It's just really smooth. It's really great. Also, I would just love to note the dead kitty dog, this really crappily drawn dead kitty dog down here. I'm gonna call it Curdy Durg. Stariat. She put Stariat in here. You know what? I'm done. I'm freaking done. Goodbye. Sayonara. I'm done. You need to freaking stop with the Megalovania music in the background, okay? Staria did not trace anybody's artwork. Somebody would have called her out for that by now. Honestly, just why? This is the most original copycat animation meme I have ever seen out of all of them. She is not the leader of ISIS. She is just really, really creative, okay? You can't assume somebody's just leader of ISIS, this person did 9/11, just because they're really good and really original. That's because you're jealous and unoriginal. Next to Stariat, Ghostface Nicole's copycat animation meme is the second most creative copycat meme I've seen, okay? Her animation in it may be pretty choppy. There could be some, smoother improvements, but it's just really, really creative in general. You're just unbelievable, Cyber. You're just unbelievable. Now, if little Miss Cyber thinks she's better, let's see what kind of animations she makes. I'm gonna be showing about 3 or 5, so let's start off with her newest one, Chime. I surprisingly have not too much to say about this. The transitions are basically it gets less obvious the more it zooms in, and then the more it zooms out, it's more obvious. She could at least add different kinds of drawings and more animation to prove she's better. The next animation meme I'm going to be reviewing is Shape of You. Wow, if you think Sleepy King's timing on the her meme was terrible, you should take a look at your own work before you upload it to YouTube, hun. Honestly, all I have to say about this is that at least there's more transitions than the chime meme. Just the timing. The timing is terrible. The next animation meme I'm gonna be reviewing is the Jenny meme. So the head bobbing is, it's kind of well. The only thing I want to point out here is that the character on the left, her head seems to go behind her clothing, which is just pretty disturbing in my opinion. That's surprisingly all I gotta say about this. Ha ha ha, and I saved the best for last. The fashion meme.
These clothes on me and fashion, put it on me. I am anyone you want me to be. Fashion, put it on me. Do you wanna see these clothes on me and fashion, put it on me. I am anyone you want me to be. Fashion, put it on me. Do you wanna see these clothes on me and fashion, put it on me. I am anyone you want me to be. Fashion, put it on me. Do you wanna see these clothes on me and fashion, put it on me. I am anyone you want me to be.
Well, I surprisingly don't have anything to say about this. Well, that concludes it for this video. Cyber Kitten, Sans' wife and girlfriend, completely rude, jealous, and thinks she's better than everybody else. Thanks for all who watched. Please subscribe. Should I make a rant on somebody else? I don't know. Comment down who you want me to rant on next. Bye!
I came to the right place, you make me big.
What's this, what's this, what's this? A trick with a twist. Somebody do something, call somebody and make it quick. I'm sorry, I lied. Just wanted you to guide everybody through this and go with a ride.